Take a look at a couple of the commands on the 3D data menu. Let's say somebody's given you a drawing and it's all in 2D. Everything's flat. All the elevations are 0. But you know the elevations and you want to set them. Well, we've got tools for doing that on the 3D data menu. If you want to do things one at a time, which might be fine for certain applications, you can just use change elevations. A couple of different options on change elevation. Differential, which would move it relative to where it is by a set amount. Absolute, which will set it to the value that you put in. Or scale, if you want to type in a scale factor and size it by that. Let's just do this line over here, absolute. Let's set it to 100. Now, I'm using, by the way, the inquiry command here, drawing inspector, to take a look at the elevation. So it's on layer 0, elevation 100, and I'm getting some other information about it. We could also use set polyline the elevation, which is basically a similar approach, just a command for polylines. Now we can enter the elevation. Let's do, this contour is at 1420. That in. And select that contour, and now it should be at elevation 1420. One of the other commands we have is edit assign polyline elevations. Let's just use it and set some individual elevations here. So let's grab that. We're going to get a docked dialog box over here. All these elevations are at 100 now, but let's just change them a little bit. Let's change this one to 110. And you can see it updates the others as it goes around here, and it tells you the slope and those type of things. If we wanted to, we could set it by slope. So we could go in here and say -2. And now we've got a slope of -2. We're going to come back around. And if we say OK, and now we hover over these, you can see that this corner up here is going to be 110. And we've got different elevations going all the way around the object. Well, those are just some of the commands on the 3D data menu. There are a lot more. One of the ones is for things like these contours over here, assign contour elevations, multiple in series. We know we've got this going uphill situation here, so we can say multiple in series. And the interval on these is 20. The major is 100. The beginning elevation is 1420. And we're going up. So this one should be, these should be the even hundreds, and they are. Now I changed 17 lines in just a couple of seconds there. Those are a few of the commands on the 3D data menu. This menu has many commands on it, but just a few to show you how you can take drawings and quickly change them from flat to elevated.